Hello, John here again, and here we are, a new mini-series, and the reason I say that is that I had a comment a while back from a viewer that was saying, is there any chance you could do a text scroller? And I thought, yeah, sure, we can do a text scroller, but which one? So, in this mini-series we're going to do 3 text scrollers. We're going to do a basic one, a high resolution one, and an interrupt driven one. So, and all we're going to do is just have some text scrolling across the screen. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the basic one in BASIC. Easy for you guys to follow and stuff like that, and then we'll convert it into assembly, and then after that everything we're going to do will be in assembly. So let's create a new project for the 64. We're going to call it text scrolling, and we're going to put it in that directory. Maybe. Yes, we're going to put it in that directory. Click next. So it's going to create a project, and there we go. Did I say if it was a basic one or not? Because it's come up with the basic files, but there we go. Anyway, so we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call this text scrolling.bas. And basically what we're going to do is, if I bring up the screen builder, where are you? Screen editor, here we go. We're going to scroll text across the top, the first line. So we're going to bring it in from that, and it's going to work its way across here as like a ticket machine type thing, text scroller. And so this is going to be written in BASIC, and then we'll convert it into machine code when we've done it. So the first thing we need oh dear, long day. First thing we need is the text. So $1 equals quotes, and I got the text here, and we're going to use my end credit text. So I'm going to paste that in, and now some of you are going to go, John, it's way too big. That is correct, and that's why we're going to split it up. So $20 equals $8 plus, do this again, and we'll do this until we've done it all. $30 equals $1 plus quotes. Missing the quotes at the end of that line, aren't we? There we go. We'll go to there. $40 equals $1 plus $50 equals $1 plus put a break, speech marks there. $60 equals $1 plus, put speech marks there. $70 equals $1 plus. Twitter, that one there. $80 $a plus. Oh, look at that. We're so close. That could be the end of the line there. Yeah. So we'll break it there. And then do $90 equals $8 plus quotes. There we go. Sorted. Save it. Now what we're going to do is going to run it. I'm going to see if the 64 can handle that many characters. Right, thank you very much. So run. Oh, string too long in line 50. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. So it's blown its thing, so we can't so it only miss. Yeah, it's only half of it, isn't it? So let's see, what shall we do? Shall we? So we will cut it down. If it's line 50, we'll cut it down. Get rid of all that lot. No. Get rid of all that. There we go. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's see if that runs now. Oh, he's joking. No. Let's try that. It's got to do it now. It's got to. Go on. There we go. So print $1. Oops. $1. There we go. So if we do the old magic. Oh, I don't know how to put in lowercase. Does it shift that? No. Control that. There we go. No. Leave it in uppercase means we've got to change this. So this is a film by Old School Colder. Oops, I've got caps lock on. Right. This was a film by Old School Colder. Old School Coder, GitHub, Twitter, email, Outlook, Patron, Old School Colder. Thank you. Oops. Right. Is that all the capitals gone? No, missed one. Right, save that. Build it. Yep. Print A. There we go. And there's no shifted characters in there. Nope. Right. So that's going to be our string. So 100. So this is our main loop. Print. Let's do it properly. Print. What am I doing? Print. Clear. That clears the screen. And then we're going to start the main loop. So it's going to be for I equals 0, or no, 1 to len $1. And then, so this is now running through the string, and then we are going to, we need to move the characters across the screen. So the way that we're gonna do that is we're gonna move that character to there, that character to there, that character to there, that character there, that character to there, that character to there, all the way along, and then the new character we're gonna put there. Alright, so here we go. So our first call is for screen location equals 1024 to 1024 plus 40. That's 1064. Let's do this proper. And then we are going to, well in fact it's 5 isn't it, because we're moving there. That's it. So then we're going to go poke SL minus 1 comma peak SL so we're poking the one before with the peak of the new one. Next SL, and then, and I think it's on 1064, so we're going to poke. So no, we're not. We're going to go print home, and then write times 40, and then oops, missed it. So then it's going to be semicolon mid $1 comma I comma 1 semicolon. So that's going to put the next character on that, and then we're going to do next I. Well, let's see if this works, shall we? The basics are there. See if it works. Well, no errors. Oh. Syntax error there. Why is there a syntax error there? Is there a syntax error there? Let's make it, see if it's that that's caused the problem. F5. Right, it's too early. So this has got to be 3. And this one is 39. Right, F5. And as you can see, you can just see it as it's being pulled along. Just see it when it's been pulled along. Now, we can cheat, because we're doing this, you know, moving back one, but we could, if we wanted to, if we rem these three statements out, and put 145, we could do print home and then write, oops, and then I'm not too sure what the character is for it, so let's do the screen code builder, because then we'd want delete. So it's actually the word delete. Okay, so brackets, delete. Put that there. Let's try this. F5, and I'll explain it if it works. There we go. That's a lot better. No, it's a bit too quick, isn't it? Wow, that was a lot quicker. So what I'm doing here is, let's get the screen editor up. So I'm sending it home, which is there, and then I'm moving it right one, which is there, and then I'm telling the screen or the print routine that does all the screen stuff to perform the delete, which moves the character there. So then we put the character there, so we don't have to manually scroll it across like so, and so it's a lot quicker, possibly a bit too quick. Let's try it again. F5. And away we go. And there's John in the first lane. He's going really, really quick. And there, can he last? No, he's finished. But it's a lot quicker, so we're going to have to slow it down. This is a first, having to slow something down, eh? So, for D equals 1, 2. Now, 1000 used to be a second, I think. So that might be a bit too slow, but let's just see. Yeah. And also the delay's in the wrong place. So let's cut that out, because we want it to be after we've done the print. Right, so we're going to make it 10 times faster. Here we go, F5. There we go, it's a bit more manageable. That's looking alright, isn't it? Hey, there we go. So there is your basic text scroller. So if you ignore these lines here and ignore these lines, because that's your text, so it's effectively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of code. Anyway, it's coming up to 20 minutes. In the next video, we are going to convert this into assembly and let's see how fast it really is. Alright, so if you like this video, please click that like button. If you didn't like the video, fine, hit the dislike button. Always leave me a comment. I endeavour to try and answer them all. And if you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron of mine. All the money goes back to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.